we are studying chapter number 12. From that, now we have to start word problems. Means that you are given some information and you have to convert this information into mathematical form. So let us learn how the information given in the word problem can be converted into an algebraic expression using one variable. You have to use here one variable and then you have to convert this given equation, the given information, into a mathematical equation. So first question is given here. My father's age is 32 years more than my age, and you have to find here the father's age. So first of all we need my age. My age is given here x years. Okay, so my age equals to x years. Now we have to find the father's age, and the condition is given as father's age is 32 years more. More than my age means x plus 32. If we will do, then you will get the age of the father. So father's age equals to x plus 32 years. Okay, so in this bracket write down x plus 32. Now second, my grandmother's age is 10 more than 4 times my age. Okay, so first of all, first condition you have to do here 4 times of my age. My age is x years. 4 times means multiplication. So my age means here you have to multiply 4 into x. X is my age, so multiply 4 into x, so that you will get here 4 times of my age. Now second condition is given here. Age, grandmother's age is 10 more. 10 more than 4 times of my age means add 10 to 4x. So 4x plus 10 years will be the age of the grandmother. Now third question. Third question is given here. My sister's age is 4 less than my age. 4 less than my age means x minus 4 years. So in this bracket write down x minus 4. Subtract from 4 from my age. Now next question. My friend's age is 5 more than half of my age. So half of my age means x divided by 2. First of all x divided by 2, and then 5 more. 5 more means plus 5. Okay, x divided by 2 plus 5. If you will perform this, then you will get the age of your friend. So therefore friend's age is, write down here in this bracket box, x upon 2 plus 5. Okay, now last one. My mother's age is 3 times my age. Times means, times here also we have done 4 times tha to 4x. So 3 times means 3x. So my mother's age is 3 times my age. So mother's age equals to 3 into x. 3x years. This is the age of the mother. 3 multiplied by x. So this is how we can frame the equations using the given information and form mathematical expression or algebraic expression of the given equation. Now further, what you are given here? From the above information, find my age if my friend's age is 12 years. So here friend age is given as 12 years, and from the above information we have found that the friend's age is x upon 2 plus 5. So we got the equation x upon 2 plus 5 equals to 12. This is the given equation, and we have to find my age, that is we have to find the value of x, and we know how to solve the equation. And after solving the equation you will find the solution of the equation, and you will find the value of x also. So let us solve the equation. X upon 2 plus 5 equals to 12. Now you know how to solve the equation. First of all, what you will do, you will multiply by 2, so that 2 will get eliminated from this division. So x upon 2 plus 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 12 multiplied by 2. So here x upon 2 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 12 into 2. So x, this 2 gets cancelled, only x will remain here, plus 5 2s are 10, x plus 10 equals to 12 2s are 24. Now to eliminate this 10, what you do? You subtract it from both the side. X plus 10 minus 10 equals to 24 minus 10. So 10 will get cancelled. You will get here x equals to 14. So you got the value of x. So x equals to 14 is the age given here. So my age is x years means my age is 14 years. Now find the ages of other person from the given information. You can find the ages of the given persons. You know the equation given here. You got here x, value of x as 14 years. Okay, x equals to 14 years. Now you have to find the age of the father. So age of father was x plus 32 means 14 plus 32. You have to find now the age of the father. That is 46 years is the age of the father. Next, grandmother's age is given as 4x plus 10. 4x plus 10 means 4 multiplied by 14 plus 10. So find the answer. 56 plus 10, that is equals to 66 years is the grandmother's age. Now sister's age is given as x minus 4 years. Now x minus 4 means value of x is 14. 14 minus 4, that is equals to 10 years. This is the age of the sister. Now friend's age we have already calculated. Friend's age, that is 14 years is my age. So x upon 2 plus 5, that is equals to 14 upon 2 plus 5. So from this equation also we can calculate, or otherwise we have given here that age of friend is 12 years. Okay, so we need not to calculate here, but for practice you can calculate here. 14 upon 2 is 7 plus 5 means 7 plus 5 is 12 years, and it is already given here 12 years. Now similarly mother's age, we know the mother's age is 3 into x years, that means 3 multiplied by 14. So you will find the answer. 42 years is the age of the mother. Okay, so all the ages we have already found. Here one activity is given, and this activity you have to perform. Write correct numbers in the boxes given. Length is 3 times the breadth. Okay, 3 times the breadth means what? Length equals to 3 multiplied by breadth. Now if breadth is x, then what will be the length? Length equals to 3 into x. I am a rectangle. My perimeter is 40 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is given as 40 centimeter. See here. Perimeter equals to 40 centimeter means what? What is the formula for perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula for perimeter. 2 into length plus breadth equals to, what is given the value as 40. So 2 into, what is the value of length? 3 times the breadth means 3 into x, plus what is the breadth given here? X only. X means 1x. So 2 multiplied by 3x plus 1x equals to 40. Like this you have to write here in your textbook. Now solution. 3x plus 1x is 4x. So 2 multiplied by 4x equals to 40. So write down here 2 into 4x equals to 40. Then 4 2s are 8. So 8x equals to 40. So write down here 8x equals to 40. Now x equals to, if you will put this 8 on right hand side, then multiplication will become division. So 40 upon 8. X equals to 40 upon 8. Okay. So 8 1s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So x equals to 5. This is the answer. X equals to 5. So breadth we got here. Breadth equals to 5 centimeter. So write down here breadth of rectangle equals to 5 centimeter. Now you have to find out the length of the rectangle. Now length is given as 3 times the breadth means 3 into x. Okay. So length equals to 3 into 5 because the value of x is 5. 5 3s are 15. So length equals to 15 centimeters. So length of rectangle equals to 15 centimeter. Write down here 15 centimeter in your textbook.